Okay, YouTubers, this is Old John. Today I'm going to do a video on making your mower a mulching mower. Now, it's not truly a mulching mower unless you put mulching blades on, which I'm not going to do. But the next best thing is to put a mulching kit, and it just basically consists of this rubber cover that goes on where your normal grass chute goes on. I took mine off. It's just held on by these two bolts. I got this at our local John Deere distributor, and you get a little product information here. It's a pretty simple kit. I got it at Stricker, which is in Moscow Mills, Missouri, which is just west of St. Louis. It's the largest John Deere supplier in the state of Missouri. Costs $39 approximately. And here's some instructions on how to put it on, but it's very simple. First, you want to, after you've taken your old chute off, and make sure this groove here is cleaned out of dead grass and so forth, because this is going to fit into it. And these come in different sizes. You have to make sure you get the right size. Mine's a 48-inch deck. This is my John Deere L130, which I've made many videos on, if you're interested. So we basically just set this down in the groove, and then it has two bungee straps, and you just basically attach these on each end, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, I went ahead and attached the straps because I only have one hand, and I put it on the bottom here. This is a groove I cut for my bagger. Go here if you want to see the video on that. So in mine it's normally filled in here, but put it on the bottom and it pulls it down tight, I think. And then on the back you can put it on top of the bottom. So that's all there is to it. What happens now, instead of the grass shooting out, it's retained in the mower more, and it gets cut by the blades more. Supposedly, when you mulch your grass, you put nutrients back into the ground, and you use approximately 1/3 less fertilizer as a result. So I like doing it. Also, it allows you to mulch leaves, which I'm going to do, and then pick up the mulch leaves with my bagger, which mulches them even further, and then it makes good compost. So anyway, that's the long and short of it, YouTubers. If you like this video, if you would, give me a thumbs up. I'm at Harrison 4803. Have lots of videos on working on my John Deere, removing the deck, changing oil, putting in a bagger, and so forth, and lots of other DIY videos and product reviews of equipment and products that I've gotten and tried out myself, even some computer equipment. So that's all for now, YouTubers. Old John out.